Imagine this, earning over $1.2 million in just 20 months without showing your face, creating your own videos, or even leaving the comfort of your home. If this sounds too good to be true, let me expand your mind and show you the possibilities of an online business. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this business model works, step by step, so you can start building your dream life. 1 year ago, I was just like you. I was watching others thrive online while I struggled to figure out where to start. Fast forward to now, and I've unlocked a proven blueprint that can automate your business, grow your audience, and generate consistent income, all without spending a dime on ads for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. I've spent thousands of dollars and countless hours focusing on this strategy so you don't have to. And today, I'm giving it to you. If you're sleeping on making money on social media, it's time to wake up, because the potential here is mind-blowing. Don't know where to begin? Whether it's starting an Instagram page, launching a YouTube channel, or diving into TikTok, follow me, and I'll show you how this gold mine of an opportunity works. In this video, we'll break it down into 3 sections: psychology of success, understanding your audience, and revenue. If this sounds interesting to you, let's dive into the video. Yes, you. I need to ask you, what's the one thing that separates successful online businesses from the ones that fail? Short answer, marketing. You can have the worst product ever created, but if you make it sound amazing, people will throw money at you. What good is a product if people don't know it exists? Let me teach you the know-how on promoting your online presence. Nothing engages people more than a story. To make this super easy and free, let's go over to ChatGPT and ask, what are the main reasons why people want to quit their job and start an online business? Look, our top 3 reasons are desire for financial independence, flexibility and work-life balance, and escaping the 9-to-5 grind. This information would have been gatekept behind a university degree, but now we have everything at our fingertips to become successful. I will be dropping a marketing technique that would cost thousands of dollars to learn, so stick around. Now that we know the psychology of her audience, how do we create super engaging content for our viewers? Women's Side Hustle really knows her audience. Really knows her audience well. You can see a common message she is saying to her audience when we scroll through her content. Take a look at these posts. What do they all have in common? They are promoting incredible wealth and independence. Her audience engages the most with this message. The story of total freedom. I know what you're thinking. Mr. Moneybot, how does she know her audience so well to the point she's making $60,000 per month? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I'm going to drop some sauce that would cost you thousands of dollars to learn. This information I'm going to share with you is so powerful that it could completely change how you do business. Be prepared to take screenshots or write this info down. This technique is called an avatar. To put it simply, an avatar in marketing is creating an image of who your average audience member is. Once you learn this, you can apply it to any business. The best part, it's super easy to do. You can either phone your audience or getting your audience to fill out forms about who they are. Typeform is a great website to gather data about your audience. Ask your audience about themselves and who they are. Here are some good starter questions. How old are you? Why do you want an online business? What is your dream life? And finally, what is your nightmare life? Remember, the more data, the more accurate your avatar will be. Now we've gathered data about her audience, we're going to cheat and make this super simple and free. Head on over to ChatGPT and ask to create an average person of your data you've collected. Here is an example of her audience. Let's call her Becky. To sum up who the average follower is, let me break it down quickly. Becky dreams of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind to live a life full of travel, freedom, and meaningful connections. She sees an online business as the key to financial stability and flexibility, letting her work on her own terms while pursuing her passions. Her biggest fear is being stuck in a draining job, and she's motivated to build a life that makes her family proud. With extra time and money, Becky would travel the world, invest in her future, and create unforgettable experiences with her loved ones. You can now use this data to create content and create products that your audience actually wants. Everything makes perfect sense as to why Women's Side Hustle is so successful, and how you can get these results for yourself. If this marketing technique doesn't deserve a like and a subscribe, I don't know what will. Don't quit the video now, because I'm going to show you how all of this information has led to this account being a $1 million money-making machine. Now that we know who her audience is, we can make a product that her audience is craving. We need a product that teaches how to make money online from around the world. As we can see, we have these 2 courses here which her audience buys. Whatever your knowledge is, you can create the courses for your online business using platforms like School that make the process so simple and has features that make your members want to stay. If you want to learn how to make successful school communities, let me know in the comments. Back to the video, everything you create from content to products will be influenced by your avatar. Have that mental picture of who your average audience member is, and your chances of success have skyrocketed. Now hold up. Let's talk about what you've all been waiting for, making money. You thought $60,000 per month was crazy? Check this out. If we check out her affiliate program, it's about $7.50 per sign up. If she has 19,400 students who most likely have clicked on her affiliate link, she has made a crazy $145,500 from the affiliate program alone since she started. Because I want you guys to succeed and be the winners you were born to be, let me show you how she could have made millions instead. Instead of being an affiliate, what about creating your own content bank? Remember, create once, sell forever. If she created a content bank and her members stayed for 1 month and the average spent was $23.33 per month, she would have made over $450,000. That's more than 3 times what she has made in her whole lifetime as an affiliate. It doesn't stop there. 6 months would be $2,716,000 and $5,432,000 per year. That's twice as much as the average person makes in their lifetime. The reason I tell you this is because I want you to think bigger and be more successful than your wildest dreams. Don't only think about making a quick buck, create a brand. We're going to go into a lot of detail in future videos about making sure your business is not just a fad, but creating a long-term, sustainable income. Knowledge is power, but only if you act on it. In the next video, we're going to break down how this motivation page that's automated with AI could be earning him $33,000 per month. His lack of knowledge is costing him tens of thousands of dollars every single month and living the dream life he's always wanted. He could be traveling the world, buying his dream house, or pursuing his passions forever. You cannot afford to waste your life slaving away at your job when there are thousands of people just like you who are killing it online. So I ask you, viewer, what is your lack of knowledge costing you? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.